This is our drawing. We worked so hard on this. Me again. Him and me make this together. And this is how it goes. Boom.
Hello guys, this is me.
That's my dad. And I want you to rate this. I'm sorry for all the colors. Because we're trying to figure out what color is black. So, but my friend saved the day and get his lapis. I mean pen. If you don't know why did I not get my own pen, I don't have a pen. So, bye-bye guys!